I have HUAWEI Mate 20 Pro, and let me show you how to enable developer options on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen, find and select the settings, scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose system. Here let's tap about phone, and as you can see here you may find the build number. So let's tap a couple of times on build number, and as you can see you are now a developer. So we can go back, and here you can find developer options. So here you can use all developer features from the following list. For example, you can enable stay awake, you can enable USB debugging, just read the following information, tap OK. You can also select mock location app, or for example enable view attribute inspection. That's it, everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.